Okay, I'll be opening my tackle box I got for Christmas. Yeah, it's kind of hard, really. Yeah, don't mind my house. I'm sorry if my house is dirty. There we go. Here we go. First, we have these pliers. Next, we have this little baggie. It looks like these spoons. I'll open them real quick. So first off, we use this black with red polka dotted spoon with this silver. Oh, crap, I hooked myself. This. And then we have this red with a white stripe with this silver back. We have those. And I'll be opening that. What seems to be a rooster tail. I don't really know what this is. So if you all know what these are, tell me in the comments. First we have this one. Next we have this one. That's where we'll be opening these two crankbaits. Alright, first we have this green fish-like one. Next we have, if I can get out of this packaging. Next we have this thing. If we've missed stuff, this is everything so far. Next we will be opening Eeny, Meeny, Miny, Moe, because it does it by the top of it. So that it, Eeny, Meeny, Miny, Moe. Next we'll be opening these. They're like these tiny spoon-like things. A silver one, all silver. And then an all gold one. Don't mind that, it's my brother's iPad. And if you hear my dad or my brother playing, they're playing Monopoly. So I'll open the next stuff. Or the next is just a bag of swivels. Then a bag of some more swivels. And then a bag of some more. Over here, got a bag of some weighted hooks. And then we've got these worm packages. We have these worms right here. We got these worms right here. Then we've got these worms right here. These worms right here. Alright. Next we've got, I know of one top water. Next we've got this. little thing right here. Next, we have this thing right here. Alright. Next, we have this little crankbait. And we have this one. And that was everything in my tackle box. Here's everything right here. If you want to see. Zoom in. Alright, there you go. Bye.